Hi everyone, this is Ling, sales manager at Keewin. Here I am in InfoComm 2026, and you are looking at our latest window series. It is a 55 dual side retail window display. The digital signage, the window display has dual side with a brightness of 4,000 nits facing out and 700 nits facing in. And this also supports two different mounting systems, ceiling and floor stand. Also, for this model, we are offering a built-in system such as Android and Windows, or just simple HDMI to connect to your own media player. And if you take a closer look here, we also have this decorative stainless steel side trim. Just to meet, this is customizable, so it just to meet your aesthetic requirements. Okay, so if you want to find out more, please visit www.keewin.com. Thank you.